Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in Reflections at Seabrook, and I am here with Ira Horn with Providence Homes, and Ira is going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home they currently have available. So Ira, please tell us where we're at today.
So today we are at the Hernando, beautiful house, 2,239 square feet. One of the great things about this house in particular is the spot it's at.
Yay.
You are directly across from Nocatee's hottest new boardwalk golf cart path,
Stunning.
going directly into the main amenities and town center at Nocatee. And this house also has that park going on. It's a little pocket park and one of the nicest backyards on this little house. And as you can see, a lot of people are enjoying it in our Florida winter.
Yeah, it is a little chilly today.
It's a little cool here.
Awesome.
So welcome, come on in and I'll show you the Hernando floor
Fantastic.
plan.
I love the exterior of this home, and like you said, love the location.
Very coastal. As we walk in, you have this really nice grand entrance.
Beautiful. Wow.
And I love the way the house gets quiet when we shut the door.
Yeah.
Here you have the main living area and kitchen.
Beautiful. It's so
you.
light and airy. Then there's so much natural light with all these windows that are laying across this wall.
Absolutely.
Beautiful.
And check out this backyard. Already set up for your summer kitchen.
Perfect.
And for those who aren't familiar, that's a deep yard to preserve.
Absolutely. That is a huge, deep yard. That's probably one of the deepest yards here in Nocatee. Again, we're at Reflections at Seabrook, so wow.
And this is a cul-de-sac road, so all the neighborhoods here tend to be quiet. This is going to be very quiet and serene, for sure.
I love this living, dining, kitchen combo.
That's correct.
Large.
All open concept. The floors in this house are LVP. Every house is individually appointed, so they vary a little bit. As we go into the primary owner suite, you have this bay window that pushes the area about 3 feet out.
Yeah.
Very large and spacious.
Looking out into your deep backyard.
And Carling, I'm going to let you go into the owner's bathroom, which is set up with a bathtub and that heavy glass enclosure.
Beautiful.
And the flooring continues into the closet, which is really nice.
I love that you guys carried up the floors with the tile and the shower. It's stunning. Love all the glass there, and of course that standalone tub.
I do too. Well, all of our houses are designed by our in-house interior designer, and it's always fun to walk into a house when it goes full vertical and it gets to this stage of completion and you can see all the selections materialize as they designed it.
Absolutely. Well, Carling just showed you the walk-in closet, and then you've got that pantry, the closet, the linen closet to your left. So another great storage area.
And pocket doors coming out.
Got a half bath here. It looks like it's off of the living
Little powder
room.
room for the guests. Absolutely. And what I'd like to also highlight in this house a little bit is the garage. Just between the kitchen, there's a laundry and then an entrance to the garage. The laundry is appointed with cabinets.
Perfect.
But I think this garage is worthy of an extra look. They have epoxy coated the floor, which nobody doesn't like. They have storage in the attic above the garage for all those holiday boxes or whatnot. And what you just heard was a fan going off that's motion detected that automatically off-gasses any fumes that might come off your car when you come in, which I think is really cool.
Fantastic. Now, as we're coming back to this kitchen, I want to point out that all of the cabinets are soft close, correct?
That is correct.
And then you've got this really fancy besides the beautiful and fancy, I can't think today, sink, thank you. Underneath, you've got this awesome pull-out, which I think is great because if you've got liquid soap or something that's extra there and you want to pull it out, you certainly can.
It's very much set up for a cook.
And an awesome hood that Ira was talking about before that he loves.
I love that hood. It's a GE Cafe, and it really exhausts outside all the smoke and fumes you could create on the cooktop, which is really nice. And the cooktop is upgraded GE profile, as is the entire appliance package.
Beautiful. Walking past some more storage here underneath the stairs. So that's what
As you
this
go
is.
up the stairs, which have LVP treads, you're coming up to our second floor, which has a loft and 3 bedrooms. None of the bedrooms in this house share a wall, so it gives you a lot of extra privacy, which is terrific. And a nice little living space for the kids.
Perfect.
The bathroom is set up with a separation between the sink and the tub. So if someone wants to brush their teeth while someone's using the facilities, that is an available option.
Love it.
We have a beautiful walk-in closet at this room.
Awesome. Oh yeah, this is great.
Isn't it?
All 3 of them are good-sized bedrooms, as
They
as
really
you
are.
see.
And it's a great floor plan that serves a lot of people's needs and comes in priced really, really well. And on this house, it's also got the 4.99% fixed interest rate on a forward commitment that the seller is providing.
Yeah, that's great. One thing I do want to mention as we are in Reflections is you're so close to not only Seabrook Park, but just all of the amazing amenities here in Nocatee. And with that extended trail that we were talking about and showing in the beginning, you can get there so quickly. So definitely great to be a Nocatee resident.
It's a great place. Also, I did want to mention that in our mechanical room, you have the foam at the roof deck. It's all EPA Indoor Air Plus Energy Star certified. They're also now including dehumidifiers along with that right-sized air handler.
Great.
And the walls are 6-inch and insulated to R21 as built, not as designed. So it keeps it nice and quiet.
Yeah. Well, Providence always does a great job with those types of things. So you definitely want to come and check it out for yourself. But all right, Ira, please remind our viewers where we are today and how they can get in contact with you.
So we're at Reflections at Nocatee. We're currently building in several Nocatee communities, which I can cross-sell. So anybody looking to come in, you can contact me directly at 904-309-2292 or just call Providence and ask for Ira.
Okay, awesome. Well, we hope you were having a great day. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.